Hello everyone! Today we're going to make mushroom chicken dumplings. Let's start by preparing the dumpling wrapper dough. We'll need 2 cups and a half of all-purpose flour and 3/4 cups of water. Add the water gradually to achieve a slightly stiff dough. The dough might be a bit tough to knead smoothly the first time. No worries, cover it and let it rest for half an hour. Let's prepare the filling for the mushroom chicken dumplings. 2 pieces of chicken thighs, remove the bones. Cut into strips, then dice and finely chop. Place it on a plate for later use. Next, work on the mushrooms. I'm using pre-soaked dried mushrooms, but you can also use fresh ones. Thinly slice the mushrooms, then cut them into strips and dice finely. Set them aside. Let's also finely chop some green onions, using only the green parts. Now, let's mix the filling. Add a teaspoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. Take the rested dough, form it into a long log. Then cut it into small pieces of around 15 grams each. Sprinkle some flour, flatten each piece. Take a small portion. Roll it back and forth with a rolling pin a few times. Then turn it and roll it again in a different direction. Adjust a little bit if needed. Let's start wrapping the dumplings. Place the filling in the center of a wrapper. Fold it in half and pinch the center together. Push in the left side to create a small pleat, pinch it. And then pleat the extra portion on the left side. Repeat the process on the other end. Push in the right side to create a pleat, pinch it. And pleat the extra portion on the right side. Let's cook the dumplings. Cold water and set the heat to medium-high. Once the water boils, add the dumplings. Give them a gentle stir to prevent sticking to the bottom. Put on the cover, bring the pot to a boil. Since the filling is raw, during the cooking process, we'll add cold water twice to ensure the filling is fully cooked. after adding water one more last time. Wait for it to boil again. Your dumplings are ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. See you next time.